जय हिंद फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार। स्वागत है आपका द स्टॉक रेजिमेंट में। मैं हूं मेजर माधव। आज हम बात करेंगे निफ्टी एंड बैंक निफ्टी के मूव के बारे में एंड ऑल्सो वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट प्राइस एक्शन एनालिसिस फॉर द एक्सपायरी। वीकली एक्सपायरी की प्राइस एक्शन का एनालिसिस जरूर करेंगे आज। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं निफ्टी के साथ। निफ्टी आप देख सकते हैं दैट हमने लास्ट वीक भी डिस्कस किया था दैट ये लगातार इट वाज गिविंग अ गैप अप ओपनिंग। तो गैप अप ओपनिंग देता हुआ ये लगातार ऊपर जा रहा था, बट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट हियर इज दैट ये गैप अप खुलने के बाद एक साइडवेज मूवमेंट दे रहा था आपको हमेशा। इट वाज ओनली मूविंग साइडवेज आफ्टर गिविंग यू गैप अप ओपनिंग्स। दिस वाज एविडेंट दैट the buyers were not strong enough to take nifty higher and higher. It was only giving you gap up openings and thereafter only stagnating. So at a level we discussed that from here if you see some selling pressure, the market would come down little more and retrace a little bit. तो यहाँ पे हमने क्लियरली देखा दैट मार्केट ओपन गैप्ड अप एंड कल से लगातार यू कैन सी दैट yesterday and today continuously the market has been coming down. Now how do you trade in such kind of a market? This is a clear trend based trade. So you just draw a trend line over here just along with the highs. So I have marked the highs and there is a trend line that I have marked. So when the market is in a downtrend, you can just mark such a trend line. The moment this trend line is broken, you can come on the buying side. There are two outcomes to this. The market can either be sideways from here or it can break out and give you an uptrend from here. So both the scenarios you will have to exit if you're on the selling side. The other thing is that once you've got a pullback from here, you can also get on the call side. So you can exit your trade if you're on the selling side, or if you want to buy a call, so that should be when the trend line is broken, not before that. बहुत ज़रूरी बात यहाँ पर ये है दैट यू ऑल्सो नीड टू वॉच आउट फॉर द गैप्स। ये सारे गैप्स निफ्टी फिल करता हुआ जा रहा है एंड नाउ द नेक्स्ट गैप इज गोइंग टू बी एट द लेवल ऑफ 18,000. सो 18,000 is an important support level. From here, if the market again opens gap down, you can see 18,000 to be acting as a strong support level. So watch out for that. Tomorrow being a weekly expiry, we would also discuss during the end of the video how do we need to trade on a weekly expiry. चलिए थोड़ा नजर डालते हैं बैंक निफ्टी पर। बैंक निफ्टी 15 मिनट चार्ट अगर आप देखेंगे, हियर यू आल्सो हैव सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ अ pattern on the chart, but very different, I would say, because the pattern that you saw in Nifty was a sharp selling pattern, but the pattern that you are seeing is a gradual selling pattern. तो फर्क इन दोनों में इतना ही है that this is a gradual pattern and that is a fast selling pattern. Now here आपको किस तरह से ट्रेड करना है बैंक निफ्टी में ये भी बताता हूं मैं। बैंक निफ्टी का आप ओवरऑल मूव देखें फॉर द पास्ट 4-5 days is that it suddenly gave you a breakout, and from the breakout it started sustaining at a level itself. So if you look at this overall, आपको दिखेगा that ये complete sideways momentum रहा है. It is not a sharp move up or down. So it has been volatile and it has been moving in a channel. So a channel between 40,000 to 39,500 is where it has been continuously moving. तो अब इसको आगे कैसे ट्रेड करेंगे इस पे थोड़ा ध्यान देते हैं। Whenever you have a continuous sideways market, you can expect a breakout in the coming days. So we can expect a breakout to be coming tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Till then, just ensure that you are marking a trend line along with it, a channel that Bank Nifty is forming over here. So in between these channels, whenever it is going to reach the top of this channel, you can get on the selling side and the buying side when it hits the bottom. So you can do some scalping in between the channel, and that's about it till the time it does not break out or break down. अगर आपको ये चैनल किसी भी डायरेक्शन में ब्रेक डाउन या ब्रेकआउट होता हुआ दिखे, that is where you need to take a directional trade. You can take a easy directional trade and put a stop loss to it. Tomorrow is the expiry, so you need to be careful once you're taking a buy position in the options. So you need to be very careful then. So we will also discuss how we need to trade tomorrow, whether it is Nifty or Bank Nifty. So some important things that I have already discussed with you, it is that अगर आपको sideways market मिलती है, if you see a sideways market by the first half of the day, just wait for a breakout or a breakdown and then take your call or put. You want to buy a call, you want to buy a put, you can take it accordingly. I would suggest that you should wait for the premiums to decay. So go for premiums that are around 40 rupees or 30 rupees, and don't go for premiums which are high around 100, 110 and all. So these are still higher premiums, so they would decay very fast if there is a directional move. These premiums would decay, but they would not take away a lot of your money because they do not have room for decay anymore, very less room for decay. So here, this is the first thing. Second most important thing is that if you do not see a sideways market in the first half itself, so let's assume that tomorrow Bank Nifty opens and it starts to move down like this. Now, in this scenario, if you see that Bank Nifty is just going down lower and lower, after the fourth or fifth 15-minute candle, if you feel that again it is the trend is continuing, the downtrend is continuing, you can take your position on the selling side and put a small stop loss, because if this is going to reverse, you need to exit since tomorrow is a weekly expiry. That is one way of doing it. The last way of capturing a hero zero, okay, so capturing a hero zero, I have discussed with you. If you've got a downtrending market, wait for the downtrending market to take a sharp dip around 230 or 245, and just after that dip you would see a pullback. So when this pullback happens, this is where you would find a hero zero. So this is the place, यहाँ पर आप अपना hero zero पकड़ सकते हैं. So hero zero पकड़ने का तरीका है यही है, that जब मार्केट लगातार डाउन ट्रेंड में आ रही है, आपको एक टाइम के बाद 230 215 के आसपास थोड़ा बहुत स्टैग्नेट करना शुरू करेगी, थोड़ा बहुत साइडवेज होगी, थोड़ा बहुत रुकेगी. दिस इज द पॉइंट. At the money call and put you should add to your watch list. This call and put would work immediately, very fast. This is a 3 to 4 minute trade. So जब आप उसको अपनी वॉच लिस्ट में डालते हैं, wait for the premiums to come around 20 rupees. Okay, wait for the premiums to come around 20 rupees. Your at the money call or put. At the money का मतलब है, if your market is at 39,518, at the money can be 39,500 और at most 39,600. So इस रेंज के अंदर ही आपने at the money call या put ऐड करनी है वॉच लिस्ट में. The moment you see a dip, the put would spike up. Put value will suddenly go up as soon as you see the dip, and call value will come down. That is the moment you pick up the call and you ride on the put. The moment this reverses and put starts to come down, you book your profits in your put and you ride the call all along. So very, very clear. It is a hero zero. Please do not hold it for long. It is a hero zero call. I'm telling you again. Please take such kind of calls only with your risk appetite and only with the capacity that you've got. One should not invest all their capital for such kind of trades because they are hero zero trades. Last week we had captured a hero zero at 10 to 50 rupees. This is the range that we caught it at, and we were able to ride it till around 340 rupees. So such kind of trades can be captured. It is not that they are not there, they are in the market. And now the setup is also clearly showing you that such kind of a event or scenario is building up for tomorrow. So sideways market right now, tomorrow we might see a trending market. So be prepared, you can take your calls accordingly. So आज के लिए इतना ही था फ्रेंड्स. अगर वीडियो पसंद आई तो प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट, शेयर एंड डू सब्सक्राइब. थैंक यू सो मच. जय हिंद.